Hey, we just picked up this Graco Crib. We just set it up and it honestly took 20-30 minutes tops to put this thing together. It was very easy to assemble. Now this is a little pricier than like the really cheap options, but we wanted something reputable and sturdy for our child. What I really like about this, it came in, a few pieces here. You kind of assemble the ends and the sides, and then you assemble your drawer on the bottom. We'll take a look at the bed frame itself here. The mattress is not included, but what's really nice, there's some adjustments on the side here, so you can lower or raise the height of the bed. With our newborn, it's recommended that you start with the high setting here, and as they get older, you can kind of drop it down. One of the biggest selling points that we wanted here, we wanted this drawer on the bottom. This is nice and sturdy, and we can kind of store our baby supplies right underneath to make it nice and convenient. Slides right in, and then I also like that you can see right through the bottom here, so you can see what exactly is in there. Now, as far as the sturdiness of this is fairly solid. I was pretty happy with the bolts and screws that this came with. Everything was nice and solid and secured right into the wood. The sides here, these are solid pieces of wood. That's not cheap particle board, because you really want the frame to be solid. Now on the sides, you have some manufactured wood for the drawer here, but that's not a big deal. We're not putting our baby down there unless she's bad. This is the Driftwood finish. We really like this elegant looking finish. It matches our bedroom, but there are some different options available. This is a really nice height as well. We can easily bend in here to attend and grab our child. All your hardware comes in a nice little package. It comes with some Allen wrenches. You will need a Phillips head and a flat head for assembly. And what's really nice about this comes with a daybed conversion. So when your child gets older, you can basically take the front off here, pop this piece in. There is a conversion kit with like a child rail that you would need to get, but we can utilize this bed for a few years here. Overall, we're very happy with the durability and the construction of this. You don't want something cheap that's gonna wiggle and fall apart. We really like the nice, elegant looking finish that goes with our bedroom, and it was really simple to assemble.